Hello everybody. Today we got an oddity right here. This is a 52-inch Hampton made quick connect ceiling fan. I got this from my friend McCar. Didn't come with blades or screws, so we got this going on right now. These are Hunter Westminster blades from a Bright Brass Westminster, and the screws are from a Hampton Bay Remington. So I'm gonna be buying a set of white Hunter blades in this same configuration, and we're gonna be cutting the corners off, make them a bit more rounded, not completely. These didn't come with completely rounded blades, they're kind of like arched, but we're gonna do that. So yeah, everything you see on it's original, except the blades. But yeah, I love quick connects, really cool fans. And yeah, what better way than to get a motor of one and have to do a little bit of work on it. But yeah, it's fine, I don't care. So we'll go ahead and start up on low here. I'm not sure if the capacitor is bad or anything, don't know how this is supposed to run. I know one of the blades is a bit bent on this. So yeah. Also, I don't know if this one would have been branded Hampton Bay or branded Commercial Electric, because I didn't even know that these could be branded Commercial Electric until I saw one new in box on Marketplace. It definitely looks interesting with the teak blades. I don't hate it though. Is that lighting good, or do we need this? I don't really like that. Yeah, it's fine. So it's moving pretty slow. I don't blame it. It's got a giant blade set on it, this big heavy blade set. And I don't know if the capacitor is bad. Might have to check on it. But it's running pretty good. It's actually moving air. Yeah, that's right. The fan is moving air. So let's move it up to medium. Pole change could use some WD-40. A bit sticky. Pretty quiet. Really quiet, actually. In my lifetime, I will 100% get another quick connect. Whether it's a white one or not, we'll be able to tell then how this one performs. I don't think it's that bad. I think it's pretty up to spec. I'll have to watch a video of somebody else's, and we can judge it based on that. It's definitely very quiet, not wobbling at all. It's because it's got a metal ball joint on it, so it's pretty stiff in the bracket. Really the worst part of this is the switch housing. It's got some scrapes on the bottom. Not too bad. Should clean up okay. It's also lost a lot of its gloss to it. I don't really know how, but it did. Yeah, it's very quiet. So, let's move it up to high. It might have a slightly bad capacitor. That, seeing the high speed there, that medium seemed a bit sluggish. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. My dad's friend has one of these in their house in Little Bronx in the master bedroom. And I love that fan. It's probably my favorite one in the whole house. Used to be the Harbor Breeze Moon Glow, and unfortunately that fan has been replaced and I didn't get it. It's okay. They've got a Cheshire in the computer room. I never really liked Cheshires. And in the basement is arguably the cooler fans. 2 Harbor Breeze Siennas, I don't know, in like rustic iron or Roman sand, something like that. There's 2 of those, and then there's a Hampton Bay Rally 3 in the same finish. Pretty cool. But yeah, back to this fan. It's doing pretty well. Moving plenty there. Got the trash bag and the paper towels down here moving around. The wires from the Hampton Bay St. Vincent also blowing around. And surprisingly, I do not hate how this looks up here. It looks pretty good, if I'm being honest. So, I think we can go ahead and shut it down now. Let's see how the bearings are. I don't expect them to be perfect. I hope they are, but I'm not expecting it. Yeah, see, it doesn't look that bad. I like it. I don't hate it. What if the Cameron's blades fit on this? Get a blue blade. Get a blue blade quick connect. I was about to call it the Cameron again. Yeah, the bearings are probably decent. They seem decent. Alright, that's gonna go ahead and end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.